In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the problem of the Elementor editor not loading. Whether you are a web developer or a business owner who maintains their own site, dealing with technical issues can be frustrating. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through a simple, effective solution that will get you up and running in just a few minutes. First, you'll need to head over to your website's WordPress login page, enter your credentials with your username and password, and hit enter to access the dashboard. Once you are successfully logged into WordPress, you will find yourself on your main dashboard. This is like the command center for your website, where you can make changes, review analytics, and of course access your Elementor settings. Now from this dashboard, look for the Elementor link in the side navigation menu. Clicking on this will open the Elementor panel, which gives you access to all the different customization tools Elementor provides. If you find that your editor is not loading properly, one possible solution is just a few clicks away. Next, you want to navigate over to the Tools section within the Elementor options. Think of this section as a toolkit provided by Elementor, where various options are available to help fix or enhance your user experience. From the Tools menu, click on the General tab. This tab houses a number of different settings, but for our purposes, we are going to focus on just one. Now look for an option labeled Safe Mode. Clicking on Safe Mode might seem like a simple step, but it is often crucial. What it does is temporarily deactivate third-party plugins and themes that might be causing conflicts. By running Elementor in safe mode, you can determine if the issue originates from these external elements. If Elementor loads up successfully in safe mode, then you know the next step is to identify which plugin or theme is causing the problem. Once you turn on safe mode, try loading the editor again. If it loads, consider deactivating your installed plugins one by one to pinpoint the culprit. Remember, safe mode is a troubleshooting feature. It won't impact the front-end user experience for visitors on your site, so you can conduct these tests with no worries about disrupting live traffic. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve the issue with your Elementor editor not loading. It may sound technical, but taking it one step at a time simplifies everything. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your website endeavors. If you have any further questions or run into any more issues, feel free to reach out for more detailed support. Take care.